So guys, this is the barbecue area guys. What happened is when we got bad weather is take the rope out. So I had to put the rope guys. So you will see what I'm doing guys. So this is the one guys. Look. And this is the barbecue here. So that piece over there. So I need to put it in. I need to cut this one. So guys, this is the rope guys. Look. So what happened, I have to cut it this. Okay. Everything is possible. So I have to cut that. I cannot see, so I have to climb up in there. Okay. Need to be same length in this one. I think it does. Push it a little bit farther. So guys, here is the rope guys. So guys, it's done. This is what my work for today, and I make a very good job. So I put say the stone in it guys to stop to make it sink down the material for the silicone. So that is my technique. So when it's dry, maybe tomorrow morning I will cut these heads, you know. I didn't cut it when I put it in, but it will be look perfect tomorrow guys. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe guys. And look at me guys, you know, now I have to finish the fence by the gate. So see you later on guys. I do some maintenance today in my house. So I put silicone around in the sink, so later on guys, when I'm finished in here, I gonna do the shower. And that's why a lot of people guys, you know, is asking why my house is always been perfect, because I do it myself, you know, maintenance, decorate. And you can look around in the ceiling and everywhere guys, and it's been decorate this house. This is part in the kitchen, and then a lot of my new light in there ready for I cannot do that, I need electrician, so I'm waiting because people don't want to work. I've been waiting for nearly 6 weeks to do the light in the pan, the ceiling pan. Waiting and waiting and waiting. So when I'm finished with this guys, I can do the bathroom, and then you will see. I am not a professional guys, but I'm trying my best to look my house good. That's it, you can switch it off. So guys, I'm here in the shower. So around in this shower base, guys, I gonna put here the silicone around in there. So I gonna show you. Look closely, guys. Look. So guys, I'm finished. So around in the shower, I'm using the silicone. So look. So maintenance, guys, I do it myself. Look, this is what I do, guys. I do all the maintenance for the house. Save the money, but look what I created. And then guys, this one to do. So I have to clean that and take that all out and get the ground cement first and put in the silicone. So, good luck to me, guys. So, guys, I out all the things around in the sink. Around, guys. So, I'm gonna put it the silicone. Ready to go, guys. Look at that. I make a good job. So, now, silicone time. So, guys, the sink is done. Put all the silicone in there. I mean, I am not professional. So guys, the sink is done, guys. So I put all the silicone around it. So it's look new. This is the maintenance, guys. That's why my house is look absolutely fabulous like me. I'm only joking. Because I do all the maintenance, shower, toilet, and everything. So that is dry. You can see the silicone in there is dry around it. So yes, it's done. So guys, I do the wall now here in the gate. So I got 15 liters of paint. So this is it, guys, from the there that I do. So halfway to go yet. So if you can look around, guys, look, it's halfway to go. Oh dear. So it will be look nice when I'm finished, guys. So guys, I finished the wall. The paint, you know, has 15 liters of paint, guys. So now, it's different color of paint. I can paint this. This is our boundary. So I get the color of this, guys. I have to clean it first. And look around straight on, guys. And this is my outfit for today. I'm knackered. So this in the row, guys, doing the paint with this wall, cleaning and paint, and oh dear, look at my attire, guys, full of paint. I'm so tired. Guys, so in this color, and excuse my outfit, guys. So this one is quite expensive, you know. So this is it, guys. I've done that, finished, and that one over there. And look at this, how look nice, guys. It's starting to rain.